Our channel here. This is going to be possibly a repair video. This is a Zareba 100 mile, 6 joule output, like 10 joules stored. These units are okay. They shock really good. They don't last very long. They're not very well built. The other thing is they're plentiful. I mean, you can go to Tractor Supply and buy American Farmworks 120 mile, and it's the exact same guts as this unit. And Zareba, this 100 mile has been around like 25 years. So I've been on a long time, and I don't know if the early ones were better built. These last 10 or so, 15 years or so, ones have been around, because these new ones, or these ones we get in, are usually 3, 4, 5, 6 years old. They don't hold up very well. Usually they're 4, 5, 6 years old. They've been worked on at least once. This one's a 2019 model from when it was built and when the guy bought it. The bad thing about this brand is the parent company that owns this one no longer sells any parts for it. Back in November 1st of 2023, that was a cutoff date when they were going to stop offering parts. So you can't get any more parts for these things. You can sometimes retrofit, sometimes rebuild. It just depends on what all is wrong with it. I've got videos from years past where I'm showing you fixing them and showing you how, but that thing, storm guard broke. That's what's inside the storm guard. If you're curious, it's just a bunch of varistor MOVs or lightning suppression things. They do what they do, but whatever. So I'm not a huge fan of these ones, but it came to us for us to look at, so we're going to try. I think I told the customer that we got a 50-50 shot at best at fixing these things. And we can fix the boards sometimes, depending on what's wrong with them. Come on. Oh. Nope, this one's junk. I hear things rolling around, and I was like, what that is. Look at this. Dead ants, bugs, whatever the hell that is. Look at all that stuff. Because you have these vent holes in the back of the case. Little holes right there. You've also got on the front of the case. The bugs have to crawl in here and make their home, so that's a problem these things have. But look at that board. Burnt all to hell. Probably fix these two boards. Now this board's been worked on before. No, it hasn't. This is a piece of something. Probably part of the trace. I thought that was a piece of trace, but let me flip this board over. It's stuck to the case. Put this phone back, camera back up here. Yeah, this one's going to be shot because you can't get the long boards anymore. That one's too far gone. I'm not going to waste time trying to fix that board. Look at this. Yeah, let's fix this board. Yeah, it's real nice. Yeah, waste an hour, find out we still can't fix it. So no, I'm not going to fix this one because you can't get the long boards anymore. Maybe it'll fix these two boards, but transfer may or may not be good. We'll test it, I guess, and see. If it's good, we at least keep that part for a rainy day, half price part or something, since it is. Primary is good. Should be about 10 ohms. You know, secondary, just the transformer is fine. I'm sure the capacitor is fine. They don't go bad that quick on these ones. They usually go 10 plus years, so you got to start looking at those a little closer. This thing's about 5-6 years old, so. Well, I'm going to give the guy bad news on this one, unfortunately. So, but yeah, if you're thinking about buying one of these, don't buy one. Well, it's the only thing I got here locally. Go on the internet. There's lots of other stuff out there, and people ship things to you. So there you go. Some people have even free shipping. Now, if you want a replacement unit for this model, I'll give you 4 brands and models to look at, just from a repair reliability standpoint. Gallagher M800 would be basically the equivalent for the most part. It's a very good unit. It's going to cost you more than this one, but it's got a 3-year warranty right out of the box. A very reliable unit. That would probably be my number one pick, but they're $400. But shop around, maybe you can find them on sale somewhere. A Power Wizard PW6000 would be the equivalent to this one. They're a couple $100, maybe a little more, a little less. It was a 2-year warranty, decent for the money, I guess, and they got parts for all that stuff. You can look at the Parmac Range Master. It's a 6-joule unit, 100-mile, supposed 100-mile range. And then you've got Cyclops Champ. That basically the equivalent to that one. It's about 250, 265, and that Parmac Range Master is about 265 as well. But those would be the 4 models. If you want something equivalent to this size, those would be the 4 that I would look at. Don't get some of that cheap Chinese stuff on Amazon, Facebook, or eBay. So yeah, you pay $129, but there ain't no parts for that stuff. Cheap Chinese throwaway stuff. But anyways, thanks for letting us look at watch on a video here, and we'll chalk this one up to a throwaway deal. So unfortunate for the customer, at 6 years, and he's got to throw it away and buy a new unit of some sort. But that's the way it is. Talk to you later. Bye bye.